This is Michael Burnsweg from Software Oasis. Welcome to the fourth video in our six-part series on AI software for business. In the previous videos, we covered AI software features. Now let's look at real-world examples and applications for AI software across major industries. So the first AI application I want to talk about is customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual agents are literally transforming customer service. By automating routine inquiries, chatbots, for example, can provide 24/7 self-service and improve customer satisfaction. Sentiment analysis helps agents understand customer moods. So, for example, let's say your customer service agent picks up a phone call from a customer that has already sent in messages, communicated on social media, chat, email, etc. At the point where your customer service agent picks up the phone or handles that customer service case, they already have AI generated sentiment analysis, and they understand where their customer is coming from and can be prepared to provide the right next steps for that specific situation. Next, we have sales and marketing. So AI is literally revolutionizing sales and marketing. These tools are able to provide, automated um, copy and automated, social media posts and the like from inputs of bullet points and ideas that a company has for campaigns, and they can help speed up the brainstorming process for creating these pieces of content. They're also able to help with lead scoring. So, for example, your sales team may receive leads which are generated through your website or through your outbound marketing efforts, and AI can actually score these leads based on different criteria to help your salespeople understand the potential of each lead and turning into an opportunity. And it can also be used for routing leads to the correct department or the person most qualified to turn those opportunities into sales. So content optimization and recommendation engines personalize the customer journey. Chatbots also qualified leads and recommended product suggestions for your customers, as well as customer service solutions. Next, we have product development. AI brainstorming helps enable data-driven product development. Algorithms can analyze customer usage data to recommend new features and can also help generate visual designs, copywriting, and technical documentation to enhance products. Now, understand that these are in the early stages, and a lot of these AI suggestions are really initial foundational elements for your team to use in producing final outputs, and but they provide a great starting point. Manufacturing. AI optimizes manufacturing operations in many ways. Predictive maintenance reduces equipment downtime. Computer vision improves quality control. Intelligent robots can automate tasks, making factories more efficient. So, for example, an AI robot with vision can actually identify defects as they come off the assembly line. For example, in a food manufacturing plant, an AI robot can easily identify uh, finished goods that don't meet quality standards. So, great use for AI right there. Supply chain management. AI enhances logistics and supply chain management via route optimization, predictive analytics, and anomaly detection. This improves delivery times, lowers costs for organizations, and helps to reduce risks of product in transit. This is very key for different scenarios in which insurance companies are actually insuring these goods in transit. And by utilizing these types of AI, insurance companies are able to reduce their claims. Next, we have healthcare. In healthcare, AI assists doctors and other medical staff in diagnosing through medical imaging and analysis and highlighting abnormalities for review. It aids in new drug discoveries, and chatbots can act as virtual health assistants for patients, directing them in the correct direction. Overall, AI aims to improve patient outcomes. Next, we have financial services. So AI transforms financial services with applications which are huge in fraud detection, algorithmic trading, loan underwriting, and personalized banking. This results in reduced risks and improved customer experiences, both from the consumer standpoint and from the business or organizational standpoint. Uh, Obviously, being able to reduce fraud and fraudulent transactions helps any organization in terms of their bottom line and helping their customers to have the best experience. So next, we're going to look at security. AI clearly bolsters cybersecurity through behavioral analysis to detect threats. It also fights fraud by flagging suspicious transactions in real time. Facial recognition and surveillance analytics further enhance physical security uh, for security guard services and other types of event security where that can aid in the overall solution. So that covers some of the top applications of AI software across major industries. In the next video, we'll explore the leading AI software platforms businesses can leverage today. So stay tuned. In the next video, we'll look at how to choose the right AI software for your business. If you found these tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Be sure to like and subscribe right now. And whether you can help us reach 1 new subscriber or 1 million, your support is truly appreciated. Be sure to take a moment to sign up for our weekly newsletter at softwareoasis.com. You can sign up on any page on our website, and each week you'll receive software trends that we share early with our email subscribers. So we hope you'll stay in touch through our newsletter.